Organic learning.
Hey there, kiddos! Miss Stott here. Let's count to 10. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! There are other ways to count to 10 too. Let's try counting our fingers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now let's try something really crazy. Let's count our toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was really fun. Now let's try counting something else. Who likes fire trucks? Let's count the fire trucks as they go by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was awesome! You did a great job counting to 10. Thanks for counting with me today. Bye-bye! See you next time!